Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Notion cover. First, navigate to your Notion page and hover over the top section. You will see an Add Cover button appear. Click this button to open the cover selection menu. Notion offers a variety of default options, but for a truly personalized look, you will want to upload your own image. This initial step sets the stage for your page's visual identity. Once you've clicked Add Cover, select the Upload option. Then, choose Upload an image to browse your computer for the perfect picture. For best results, aim for an image that is approximately 1,500 pixels wide by 600 pixels tall, ensuring clarity and sharpness across various screen sizes. After uploading, you can drag the image up or down to adjust its position, making sure the most important parts are visible. This gives you full control over the visual presentation. To create truly unique covers, consider using graphic design tools such as Canva or Figma. These platforms offer templates and features to craft visually appealing images that align with your personal brand or workspace theme. Remember to keep your design clean and uncluttered. A simple, impactful image often works best, as overly busy covers can distract from your page's content. Aim for a cohesive look that complements your Notion setup. Notion also integrates with Unsplash and Giphy, providing access to a vast library of high-quality stock photos and animated GIF. Simply click Link or Unsplash to explore these options and find something that fits your aesthetic. You can always reposition your cover to highlight specific elements or remove it entirely if you want to try a different look. Experiment with various styles to discover what best enhances your Notion pages and personal workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.